Pirates versus Sundowns. Has this become the most important fixture versus Chiefs versus Pirates? Which is more exciting now? Derby or Pirates versus Sundowns? Which is more exciting?
Nothing in the
place. Pirates might and Sundowns.
Yes.
Versus the Pirates might and Chiefs. Which game is more exciting to watch now?
Derby knows he played the Derby.
You know, I always tell people, yes, you play Sundowns. Derby is different. Noma Chiefs or Pirates, Gulama maybe 3-4 games before Derby. Or two of my team adliwa wonke. This I see go there, you'll see something. It's totally different.
It's an event. Yes, I mean Chiefs and Sundowns game thing or Pirates and Sundowns. Ikadlala dako masterpieces Muripe. No. Game idlale ko masterpieces Muripe da. Show give 15,000 capacity ara. Derby. No, Derby is different. Whole world different. Different atmosphere. La o ya garage, mto tshela petrol la ka mande o jetso. Engwenya weekend mfethu. Onidliwe ungebuye la garage la. Maria Sundowns Pirates, it's an entertaining game.
Yes.
Because both teams are doing well, but the Derby can't be replaced. Never.
But the Derby can't be replaced. Maybe that's why we have legends with Derby, because if Beckner Legend Sundowns would be having a different conversation as us. What do you think? Orlando Pirates versus Mamelodi Sundowns, is that more exciting than the Soweto Derby? Sicela nisazise ningali commentan thukanani kahle. Yazi le nhlamba lesathini. Uthi wena yo then comment. Ungayifaki yonke. Yabona mase uyifaka yonke manje masihlangana estradini sesibambana ngempama. But it's just a beautiful game that we love. Sfizomeni ati Mamelodi Sundowns versus Orlando Pirates 1-1 draw, and then he's worried to khona ama player Pirates that might not play simply because the coach said this is not a circus. Akazelangi entertainment. Makafuni entertainment uzoyizu. Ayibeka amajiraffe. La ibholo he wants goals. Tusopala, Orlando Pirates is going to lose 2-1 because I think it's just being a Kaizer Chiefs supporter that favors Mamelodi Sundowns in this game. And then Richards Bay versus Kaizer Chiefs. Uti Kaizer Chiefs izobuya lapha izobuya ipila 2-0.
Yes.
Uti 2-0 usifisomyeni uti 1-0 draw. Nina sitshileni ukuthi nicabangane. Mangabe niyobheja. Not. Remember. Not. Because other than that, Barry Danko, thank you. Cereal is breakfast and it's ready for you to eat. Remember, ngizulu bathi ningakhohlwa ngeSuthu lesikalibala. This show is brought to you by Africa Picks. For the best betting odds, visit their website. Hambi oba check alaphana, and remember mawbecha. Not because idlalwa la. Danko is thank you. Cereal is breakfast and it's ready for you to eat. Maungagal.